Hi, this is Kent Lau. How do you find those rows contains lion? This is the source, and the expected outcome is this, where there is those rows. So first row that we see here will be this row. It will be here, and the second row is that if on a different column, but as long as that contains that rows that contains lion, it will be listed down. What is the tools that can use in Power Query to find out that instead of copy it, paste, it can be on any columns. So that's either use the table.FindText. So what it says here is that it returns the rows in the table. Or you give an example here, find the rows in the table that contains Bob. So here is a table. It has Bob, Jim, Paul, Ringo, and then here it returns that row that has Bob. But is it only possible to adjust one row? Well, look at the syntax. The syntax says that it returns not just a row, it can return as a table. So because of this syntax, and I thought of that, well, let's just try it out whether it can return more than just one row. And yes, this is my testing. Let's go to here, data tab, turn it into a Power Query table, and there you are. I just cross the step here and go to this add step button. So I take the entire table as a source. As the source is a table, and I just call the table.FindText. So the table for FindText has two parameters. After that, comma. Then you tell Power Query what is the word you want to find. It has to be case sensitive, and enter, and that's it. Power Query will quickly go through that and tell you which row has the word lions. Okay, now we just try it out whether if it's case sensitive. Oh yes, it is case sensitive. See that? A capital L will help you to find out this row, that row, and this row. So notice that it's on a different column and it doesn't matter. And that's it. Now once you have this, you can load this and into your Excel table. So in this video, you learn how to use the table.FindText. Table.FindText accept two parameters. One is the table itself, this is the table, and tell Power Query what is the text you're looking for, as well as contains that text. So notice that it contains the text. Alright, I think that's a good idea. Now let's see if I can just change this again. Okay, since the take away lion share. Okay, so now this itself is not the words, not only fit the entire words lion, but because it says contains. So let me just right click and refresh. Oh, it does. That's why it doesn't say exactly that, but it say contained. As long as it contained the words, it will be accepted. So once again, so depends on usage. I hope this is useful to you. God bless you. God bless Asia. And I thank Jesus for giving me the ability and strength to share.